Once upon a time, in a peaceful pond surrounded by tall reeds and colorful water lilies, there lived a little duckling named Daisy. Daisy was different from her siblings and the other ducklings. While her brothers and sisters had bright golden feathers, Daisy's feathers were a soft, plain brown. She often felt left out and yearned to be as beautiful as her siblings. Every day, Daisy watched as her siblings played and splashed in the pond, but they would never let her join in their games. They would tease her and say, "You're not a real duckling, you're just a plain brown duck." Daisy would swim away to the other side of the pond, tears welling up in her eyes. One sunny morning, as Daisy was swimming alone, a wise old turtle named Timmy spotted her from the shore. Timmy had seen how lonely and sad Daisy was, and he decided to help her. He called out to her, "Daisy, don't be sad. Your brown feathers make you unique, and there's beauty in being different." Daisy paddled over to Timmy, her eyes still filled with tears. Timmy shared a story with her about a time when he, too, had felt out of place. He explained how he had learned to embrace his own unique qualities, which had made him strong and wise. He encouraged Daisy to do the same. Daisy listened to Timmy's words and began to realize that being different wasn't a bad thing at all. She decided to be proud of her brown feathers and the fact that she was a little duckling who stood out in her own way. With newfound confidence, Daisy returned to the other ducklings and their games. At first, they continued to tease her, but Daisy didn't let it bother her. She showed them that being different was something to be celebrated. One day, as the ducklings played in the pond, a strong wind blew a beautiful rainbow of flowers into the water. The flowers floated around, and their colors reflected on the water, creating a breathtaking sight. Daisy's brown feathers shone with the reflected colors, and she looked more beautiful than any of her siblings. The other ducklings were in awe and realized that Daisy's uniqueness was something special. They swam over to her, apologized for their past behavior, and asked if they could be friends. Daisy forgave them and welcomed them with open wings. From that day forward, they all played together, embracing their differences and celebrating the beauty of diversity. The brave little duckling had learned that true beauty comes from within, and she had also discovered the power of self-acceptance and the importance of kindness and friendship. Daisy and her siblings continued to grow and thrive, not just as a family of ducklings, but as a family of friends who knew that being different was a gift to be cherished.